What if I told you there's an alternative of Timex watch, but just at one-fourth of its price, the exact same quality and looks? Meet the Casio Vintage Series. This is the model AQ240E. It carries an unbelievable retro charm straight out of 1980s playbook. The rounded square case sets you apart from the rest of the vintage series. You get the fully brushed stainless steel bracelet. The sunburst effect honestly brings life to the dial. The dual time display is stylish and even useful for everyday wear. Would you wear this over Timex? Let me know. Bye.